Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today on Fritz Hot on Fritz. I hope your day is going well. Currently 51 degrees and cloudy here in the valley this last day of March 2023. Today I'm going to taste test the Fruity Pebbles cereal pop popcorn. I bought this at a local department store earlier today for $2.54. Or this 5.25 ounce bag. Full disclosure, Burlington is not a sponsor of this video. Post is not a sponsor of this video. And Hanna-Barbera is not a sponsor of this video. The store had 13 bags in stock up by the checkout registers. Wow. If you've tried these, please let me know in the comments what your assessment of them have been. I've tried other flavors by this company. The popcorn, the Oreo and the Twix, the Butterfinger ones, and now I'm going to try the Fruity Pebbles. The packaging really stood out to me. It caught my eye. The bright, vibrant red. And then the cartoon characters, the Flintstones, are on there. Fred and Barney, they're on there. Wow. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Oh. Woo. Yeah. Oh, cereal and popcorn together. Ah. Mm. Oh, wow. That's a nice crunch from the popcorn, and then the sweetness from the cereal. Aftertaste. Wow. Wow, it's like a cross between Fruit Loops, Rice Krispies, Corn Flakes, and unbuttered popcorn. Oh, the sugar? This is really sweet. Wow. I'm not going to eat this whole bag in one setting because there's 5 servings per container, and each serving has 12 grams of sugar. Yeah. Oh wow. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Oh, and this glaze or frosting that they have on there, it combines the popcorn and the cereal bits together. Oh. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-mm. Woo. Mm. Cherry, hint of cherry, hint of lime, hint of artificial flavorings in there. But it's not like I'm not getting the aftertaste of the cough syrup cherry. This is better, better artificial cherry aftertaste. Oh, and I'm not sure how it's showing up on the camera, but it's very bright, very vibrant. It reminds me of those little colored aquarium rocks. Just by looking at it, like woohoo, woohoo! Oh wow! And I'm not even a Fruity Pebbles man. I'm a Honey Nut Cheerios man. That's what I have for breakfast, or sometimes I alternate between that and Life cereal. If I'm a bad boy, then I go for the Special K. Yeah. Not bad for the quantity that's in the bag with the price. But this is very sweet. More, well, I knew going into it it's going to be sweet, but it's more than I thought it would, more than it turned out it was. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give the Fruity Pebbles cereal popcorn an 8.12. This would be a good dessert. Maybe sprinkle some on top of vanilla ice cream as a base. Have, I don't know, maybe that, or even just on its own. It's really sweet. Uh, have some milk with it. Mm, nice popcorn, light. The popcorn itself is light and airy. And then with the cereal. If you already had or already are familiar with Fruity Pebbles, then this tastes like Fruity Pebbles with a crunch of popcorn. Ding, 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 ding. Until next time, applesauce. Thanks, everybody. Have a great rest of your afternoon, and hope April starts off well for you tomorrow. Yeah. I have a sugar pie sassy little angel. Yeah. Oh man. Oh, Chelsea. uh, go ahead and try these. Let me know what you think of them. Ta-da! The bus is coming. Oh, you don't want to miss the bus. You got to get to the other side of the river. Ding ding. Mm.